Breastfeeding is a natural process, but for many new mothers, it can feel confusing and overwhelming at first. If you are a beginner, this step-by-step guide will help you understand how to breastfeed your baby comfortably and confidently. First, choose a calm and comfortable place to breastfeed. Sit in a relaxed position with your back supported. You can use pillows to support your arms and your baby. Comfort is very important because breastfeeding sessions can last several minutes, especially in the beginning. Next, bring your baby close to you. Your baby's head and body should be in a straight line, facing your breast. The baby's nose should be opposite your nipple. Always bring the baby to the breast, not the breast to the baby. This helps prevent back and shoulder pain. Now, help your baby latch correctly. Gently touch your nipple to your baby's upper lip. This will encourage the baby to open their mouth wide. When the mouth opens wide, quickly bring the baby to your breast. The baby should take not only the nipple but also a good portion of the areola into the mouth. A deep latch is the key to painless and effective breastfeeding. Once the baby is latched, check for signs of correct feeding. Your baby's chin should touch your breast, lips should be flanged outward, and you should hear slow swallowing sounds. Breastfeeding should not be painful. Mild discomfort in the first few days is normal, but sharp pain means the latch needs correction. Allow your baby to feed fully from one breast before switching to the other. This ensures your baby gets both foremilk and hind milk, which is rich in nutrients and healthy fats. After feeding from one side, gently burp your baby and then offer the second breast. Breastfeed your newborn on demand, usually 8 to 12 times in 24 hours. Crying is a late sign of hunger, so look for early hunger cues like lip smacking, sucking movements, or hand-to-mouth actions. Finally, take care of yourself. Drink plenty of fluids, eat a balanced diet, and rest whenever possible. A relaxed and healthy mother supports better milk flow. Remember, breastfeeding is a learning process for both mother and baby. With patience, practice, and confidence, it becomes easier every day. If you ever feel unsure, don't hesitate to seek guidance from a healthcare professional.